It is finally here. After a month and a half of waiting, it is a box from Alibaba. Yes, you heard me right, Alibaba, the Chinese company that sells bulk stuff. I've heard good things, I've heard bad things. Let's see if this is good or bad. Let's crack it open. It's 130 round slate coasters. Let's see if it's actually 130 round slate coasters, and the box is a little bit beat up, so I'm wondering how many are broken. Let's find out. Let's crack it open.
All right, I want to break this down for you a little bit so you know why I bought these coasters off of Alibaba. Well, when I buy them on Amazon, I buy 12 of them, and with tax and shipping and everything, it's $19.32 for a pack of 12 of these slates. So price per slate comes out to about $1.61. Now, when I go on Alibaba, I can get, with taxes and shipping, I can get 130 of these slates for $1.05.70. That comes out to 82 cents. I mean, that savings, that's 49%. I mean, right, roughly. I mean, 50%. It's pretty close there. That's a really good savings. So I thought it'd be worth a try. I mean, if I was going to buy 130 coasters on Amazon, it would cost me $209.30. So even if half of these are broken, I still come out even. You know, I thought it was worth the gamble in my book. Give it a shot, see what happens. And worst case, I contact Alibaba and say, hey, you guys suck. But let's see how it goes.
All right, so I counted them all. I have 134. So they sent some extras. We got 4 extras. Now that I know I have enough, I'm going to inspect them and see what the quality is, see how they turned out. So let's crack them open and see how they look. Okay, out of all of these, I only had 9 that I probably wouldn't use. Now if we take out 4, because they sent us 4 extra, toss those to the side. Of the 130, there were only 5 that I could probably make them for my own personal use. They're pretty dinged up, they got marks on them. I just probably wouldn't use them for a customer. So if we subtract those, they cost this much per unit. I think that's better than buying them on Amazon. So yeah, if you're making a bunch of them, great thing would be to order from Alibaba, as long as you're not in a hurry, because it took a month and a half almost for me to get these. It was pretty close to that. So if you're not in a hurry, it's a great option. If you're in a hurry, you're probably gonna have to go to Amazon, 2-3 days shipping, pay a little more extra per unit, but this is fantastic. I'll do this. I'll do this all day if it continues to happen this way. I know Alibaba probably isn't the most consistent, but yeah, I'll take it. It's a good job. Oh, there is one thing though I do want to bring up. You want to know something I don't like about it? It's right here. It's these, the thickness. They are not the same from coaster to coaster. Let me give you a close up here. So you can see here, this is one of them. Well, there's 2 of them here. This is the thickness of one, and it's pretty thin when you compare it to the next one. You can see that huge difference there. Got my calipers out. Let's see here. That one, I don't know if you can read that, but it's 0.306 of an inch. And this one, now we can read that, but it's 0.142. That is quite a bit thinner. You're probably gonna have to be a little bit careful when using these on your laser, because I'm sure that thickness will mess up the etching. So if you can, try and get the smaller ones or shorter ones with the shorter ones and thicker ones with the thicker ones. The other little tip, be sure to put these back in a bag before you put them back into storing, because these rubber feet that are on the bottom, they'll mess up the surface of the one beneath them, especially as they get heavy. It'll leave a mark, and you don't want that, especially if you're the laser guy that likes to seal their coasters. I know some people do, some people don't. Not going to get in that argument here. But if you do, they'll leave a mark, and when you go to seal it, you'll see that little mark on the top, and you'll say, what the heck was that? Well, it's from these little rubber feet and being stacked. So put them back in the little baggies before you store them, unless you're going to use them right away. Otherwise, would I use Alibaba again? Absolutely. This experience was good. I know some people have bad experiences. I have not had a bad experience with them so far. So far I'm gonna say good to go. Give it a shot if you're gonna make a bunch of coasters. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Watch one of these videos here, and yeah, go be great.